What's going on, guys? This is Tanner with Axiom Tech, and today's a video about the Apple Watch Series 4. And this is a replacement Series 4 to my current one I have right here. This one has a major issue that I've been experiencing for the past probably 4 or 5 days. So when I try to click the side button to go home, nothing happens. You can hear that click, and you can see it. But if I press really hard, then it goes. Oh, I'm clicking something. There we go. Yep, you just gotta press super hard. And the way I was getting around it, by clicking the side button, scrolling down, all apps. That's how I was getting around it. So, I have this replacement one right here. Let me type in the password off camera. I already got it set up. Okay. This one, press the side button. You go home. What do you know? It works. Yeah, I was actually quite mad once I found out this side button was not working. And it sounds different too. If you listen very carefully, you can hear it's like a louder click. Here, so we can get that's really close to the mic here. Okay, now let's listen to this one. You can hardly even hear it. It's so quiet. That's how it's supposed to be. Now I know that for a fact. Because any Apple Watch I've owned or touched or used, it's always had a quiet home button. And that's ridiculously loud. So I have a feeling a clicking mechanism somewhere in here must have snapped off to help push inside the watch because of its water resistance. And that must have snapped off, so you have to press really hard to push this crown as deep as you can. So I'm glad I can get rid of this one, send it back to Apple. The replacement one came extremely fast. So Apple put a charge on my account through my credit card, stating basically if I don't return this Apple Watch, it would charge me about $520 some. So that's pending. If I don't return this within 10 days, I'll get hit with a late fee. Then if I don't return it at all, I'll be charged. So this is definitely going to get returned to Apple, and hopefully they can figure out what was wrong with it. But I won't ever see this one again. This is my new Apple Watch. Again, 2 weeks old, broken. Alright, that's going to do it from here, guys. I'm going to get this one all set up with all the settings I like. So, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and peace out.